Flavorful prawns drizzled with a sweet soy sauce. These steamed prawn rice paper rolls are the perfect balance of texture and taste. So first, we're going to prepare our prawns. I have some king prawns here, which work really well for these rice rolls. I'm going to be adding in Lee Kum Kee Premium Mushroom Seasoning Powder. Next up, we're adding in Lee Kum Kee Premium Oyster Sauce. Then a little bit of sesame oil, sprinkling of white pepper. And last is a tablespoon of cornstarch. Now just mix that all together. Now that's done, I'm just gonna chop up some spring onion. We're ready to roll our rice roll. I'm going to add a little bit of our spring onion, and then we're gonna add a bit of our prawns. So now we're just gonna fold in the edges and fold the bottom over the filling, and then we're gonna roll. We're just gonna brush the top of the rice roll with some sesame oil. So now we're gonna steam them for 7 to 8 minutes until the prawns are ready. Perfect. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of spring onion, add some Lee Kum Kee sweet soy sauce, and then we're gonna add a little bit of the Lee Kum Kee Chuzhou chili oil. You have the crunchy king prawns that are lovely and nice and seasoned, wrapped in this chewy rice paper roll. And then it's topped off with this gorgeous sweet soy sauce. Absolute flavor bomb.